Now look at another point. In order to make your CV a resume impressive, you need to prepare it every time you apply for job, keeping in view of the requirement for that position. You must prepare your resume or CV to suitable for the considered post. Do not use the same CV or resume for two different jobs, as they may not reduce the same qualifications and experience. While you preparing your CV or resume, you should not prepare same kind of uh, resume or curriculum vitae for different jobs. You must prepare different kind of CV or resumes for different jobs. It is important point for note. Now look at and discuss the other categories contents in a resume or CV or resume. Now let us discuss on the topic resume, and it contains what details it contains. Students, can you understand the difference between curriculum vitae and resume? It is the small inner line. Now resume and its subheadings. Resume contains first one, the heading. The heading. Here you should give your brief detail. Candidature, that means name, phone number, email ID, etc. Next one, objectives. Here you should give the information what is looking for, what type of job looking for, etc. Your objectives. Next, education. In particular education column, you should give the detailed information of your education in a reverse chronological order. That is, recently acquired data should give the first priority. Education. Next, work experience or strengths. Here, what is your additional skill or what is your strength? What particular area? What is the particular area do you like the most? Here you should give the detailed information in strengths. And then work experience. Here you should give the work experience in years, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, etc. in the relevant field. Next, additional information. Here, additional information contains the incompleted relevant areas. That means incompleted areas, all the information should give this here under the additional information like languages known, marital status, expected salary, in any other activities you have you should give the information under the additional information. Next, reference or here you should give the information of you are known the candidate one or two candidates format. Finally, cover letter. Students, note this point, important point. What is the resume should not have a signature, but if you want to give your signature, you must prepare a cover letter. Every resume has a cover letter. You should prepare a cover letter along with your resume, and cover letter contains your signature. These particulars are following resume. Resume, the heading. What is the once repeat the heading? What details should follow the heading? Name, phone number or contact number, email, ID, etc. Next, objectives. Here, objectives. What is looking for? What type of job you looking for, etc. You should give the brief detailed information. Next, education. In this education, you should give the format in a reverse chronological order. That is, you should give the data recently acquired, certificate, etc. in a reverse chronological order. Strengths. Here, you should give the information, your strength. In addition, candidates, your candidature, you must follow the additional skills, strengths and work experience. If you have any experience, 1 or 2 or 3 years, here you should give the information. Additional information covered in information, all the information, incompleted information here under the additional information, that is languages known, etc. Reference. You should give 1 or 2 candidates, familiar candidates information address. Cover letter. You should give the information along with resume. You should prepare a cover letter with a signature. A cover letter has a signature, but resume has not a signature. Here, these details are you must follow while you are preparing curriculum vitae or resume. We will discuss another topics or exercises on this resume or curriculum vitae for other process. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. This is the example for preparing your resume or curriculum vitae. Okay, write down and following the other exercises.